Hello everyone, I'm the Puppet, and today I'm going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy 1. So, I'm playing Night 6. Why do I always get out on nights? Seriously, I'm the only... Seriously. Oh! Chicka's gone! Chicka's gone! Goodbye, Chica! Go! Go. Ah, the wrong one. This Fox has been a good boy. Oh no. Good doors. Good doors. Bye bye. Skedaddle. Oh my god! Stop it, I want to be. Stop trying to get your faces. That's all just scary. You're trying to just scare me. You're trying to just scare me. Stop trying to just scare me. That's Freddy Zoo. Freddy. Oh, who does? Freddy. Foxy, go away. Oh, good. He's gone. Where is he? Where is he? Wait. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where's Freddy? Where's Wolf? Wolf. What is God? Where's Willie? Where's Willie? Where's Willie? Excuse me, God. Cough. Oh, gee. Ah! She was moving her head. Look at that. Look at that. Look at him. Look at that. Oh, Jesus, this is scary. It's only 1 a.m. I'm scared. Oh, serious. Oh, geez. I'm getting overwhelmed. Oh, Freddy's in the girls' toilet. Oh, Freddy's in the girls' toilet. Oh, he's in the ladies' toilet. He's gonna get embarrassed. He's in Chica's toilet. He's in Chica's toilet. Why is he in Chica's toilet for? What's in Chica's toilet for? Okay. Stop trying to go to me. Will you go? Bye. Sorry. Oh, gee. Is that funny? Is that funny? Oh, there's chickens are. Chickens are. Oh, Freddy's coming. Good attack. Oh, it's great. Is that Freddy's ball? Baby. Oh, baby. Go for it. You got him. Zero. No. Okay. What? Playing a game. Nothing? Playing a game? Yeah. I'm 50 out of 100. Five Nights. Are you enjoying it? No. I'm on night 7, but unfortunately I can't do the night 7. Who is doing the night 7? Who? Whoa. Are you enjoying it? I'm not sure who is playing it, but I'm pretty sure Springtrap is. Springtrap's playing it. See you guys next time. Bye.